Hey folks, welcome to the channel. I'm Don. This is Rockin' the Country, also bluegrass, red dirt, Texas swing, what else? Western. In any case, non-pop music. I am doing a reaction, a donation request by Jacob Herricks. So Jacob, shout out to you. Thank you. And it's another group that I've not reacted to before. Shane Smith and the Saints. And the name of the song is Little Bird. And we're going to see what we do with this one. A couple of your requests have been for more rock-oriented songs. And so we're going to see if this is more of a country-oriented song. Little Bird. Yeah, I don't know anything about this group. Pretty.
The night in Cary County had a mind of its own. There was a storm in the sea with a name. We laughed till we yelled as we ran to the pubs, as if somehow it could stop the rain. You were hard to find, a different kind that I never knew. There's 1,000 ways that I could say how much I loved you, but I lost the words. You flew off like a little bird. So head east, outside the city. You know my love, it runs deep in those parts. You came here to say you were living. Babe, I'd say it's living that got you this far. 'Cause you were hard to find, a different kind I never knew. There's 1,000 ways that I could say how much I loved you, but I lost the words. I still hear your songs, your little bird.
I wonder who she is to him. Because sometimes I just automatically assume it's a lover, you know, who's gone and moving away or something. But sometimes it's a daughter. Yeah, like the little switcheroo comes in at the end and you're like, oh, that throws the whole song into a different meaning. But gotta find out why this girl's leaving. Maybe we don't find out.
Long as people sing songs, the stories live on. And ours had highs and lows, but it's real.
Alright, love her.
And I'll be right here while you look for answers alone. Find the life that you made in your mind. Tell the truth, I'll probably find a ditch on the road to Damascus. Babe, I'd be lying to say I'll be fine. You were hard to find, a different kind I never knew. It's 1,000.
This instrumentation reeks of to impart a sense of chaos, not quite foreboding, but just there was something going on within her that was chaotic, and she had to get away from something or be drawn towards something. And I get the sense that she didn't even know what it was. There was something chaotic within her that made her leave. Yeah, we'll find out. Now, he has an extremely unique voice.
ways that I could say how much I loved you. I lost the words, and they're just a tattoo of a little bird.
Oh, that was nice. Remember her by. Another one, we didn't get the details on it, but the music imparted, I think, enough of the meaning to what was going on. It just sounded like she was going through a really rough time, a confusing time or something, and left. And they had their highs and lows. He said that, and the lyrics said that, but that's normal. But other people saw, they didn't, the impartation was that other people had seen that they had a good thing going, but she had to leave to go find something out. Don't know what. And that, who is it? What? Don Henley has a song. Oh God, not everything is different now. But he said, like, what is it out? The lyric is, what is it outside love's open door makes us throw off our contentment and yearn for something more. And I think it goes. I talk about pattern recognition every so often. We think that there's going to be some sort of better sense of excitement out there, but so much of life is in the mundane. And you want some excitement. You want some things that are unexpected, but not too big. But when you feel like life is a little too predictable, you're like, you might decide I'm going to uproot, go somewhere else, and just seek some different form of excitement. And then, generally speaking, you get there and you may have some excitement initially, but then it too gets mundane because that's life. Life is about creating your space. It's like Anne Lamott said, what is a home but a place to keep the wolves out? And it's true, your own space, whatever it is, you want that measure of safety, of predictability. And so we're trying to create this place where there aren't these big ups and downs, where the heat is on at a certain temperature and we have our running water and the food in the fridge and we can sort of get into our routines in life. And then we think, well, gosh, this is just boring. And so you want to upend it. Some people do, just get up, go, and start over. And they create chaos for the people they're leaving. And that's the sense I got from the music, that it was just a very sad, hard thing. He didn't say why she was going, and that's fine. Didn't need to. Didn't say it was drugs. Didn't say it was an affair. Didn't say it was skeletons in the closet. Nothing. Just said she's going, I think he said east. So, yeah, Jacob, you like your rock guitar. That much is obvious. Like in the songs that you've chosen, you absolutely like. And maybe the title of the channel, Rock into Country, has inspired you. Because I went from being a rock guy into country. That's the impetus of the name. And also just rocking the country, man. That's what I do. Yeah. All right. So what am I going to rate this? This was artistic. It was. And he was different. The way he sang, his delivery, the creation, there was nothing cookie cutter about it. I almost got the sense that this could have been from a movie, this type of song. But as a standalone, I'll rate it. Part of me could relate to it too, without going into details. Part of me could absolutely relate to the shittiness of what it feels like to have somebody do that to you. The number that popped into my head is an 8.8. That might surprise you folks that I went that high. But on the strength of the uniqueness and the lyrics, and I love the fiddle in it. No, not traditional per se, but I would definitely keep this in the country family. I don't know if you'd even say that this would qualify for some version of Red Dirt, but folks out there who are more familiar than I am with the hair-splitting nuances of country could speak to that. So there it is, folks. You can thank Jacob Herricks for that. Thank you, Jacob, for the donation and the request. And there it is. Have a great day. I'll see you on another video. Keep rocking the country.